Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series, our today's question is: during ultrasonic inspection on a 20 mm thick weld, an indication having length 2 mm observed, which is characterized as lack of fusion between the base metal and the weld metal. As per the acceptance criteria in ASME Section VIII Division 1, this defect is. So, you are doing UT and you have observed a lack of fusion. Length of the lack of fusion is 2 mm and the job thickness is 20 mm. So on a 20 mm job, you are doing UT and you have observed 2 mm lack of fusion. Very straightforward question. A code is given. The construction code is ASME Section 8 Division 1. As per ASME Section 8 Division 1, is it acceptable or not acceptable? The correct answer is it is not acceptable. Any defect which is characterized as lack of fusion, crack, or lack of penetration, these three defects are not at all acceptable. So the correct answer will be not acceptable. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel. If you have not done it yet, please join my channel and support my initiative financially. We have come to an end of our today's video. Please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.